Okay, we're just going to do some quick stuffed chicken breast, and I'll kind of show you how I like to do it. The first thing I do is I take whatever I'm doing as far as the stuff in, and I get it portioned out for how many chicken breasts I have, so it's ready to go. This one here is the prosciutto, the gotzarella, sun-dried tomato, and roasted fennel. Then I take my chicken breast, and I just want to make in the thicker, so this is the thinner side of the breast, the thicker side. This is where I'm going to make my pocket. I'm just going to kind of go in with my knife, like so. And I'm just going to slowly work the tip of my bone-in knife just to make a pocket like that. You can kind of see how that opens up nicely in there. Now, this is obviously a lot easier if you get nice big chicken breasts. The smaller ones, you have to be a lot more careful that you don't tear through the meat. So again, with this one, I am just going to go in with my knife, and then I'm just going to make a nice pocket in there, like so. And again, you can see how we've got that. And you want an opening large enough that you're going to be able to get the stuffing in there. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just take off that thin part of the chicken breast, and you'll see in a minute what that is for. Okay, now I am going to just open this up, and then I'm just going to take my stuff in, and we'll push it in there. The trick with this, and this is something that I'm really bad for, is you don't want to overstuff. If you overstuff as it cooks, it just starts to explode and comes out. So, depending on the size of your breast, there's like a couple tablespoons in here. Then I'm going to take that tip that I did here, and I'm going to push that in. That's going to help seal it. And then I have one stuffed chicken breast right there. We'll do again with this one here. I'm going to add my stuffing in. Like so. Put in my tip there of the breast. And there we have two beautiful stuffed chicken breasts. Now these can be roasted in the oven. If I'm going to roast these in the oven, I will secure this end with a toothpick or a skewer just so it helps it when it starts to cook, and then it slowly starts to almost, fuse back together. So the trick is not to overstuff it. It's also, you don't want to overcook it. If that center gets too hot, it starts to blow out as well. My favorite way to cook stuffed chicken breast, though, is through the sous vide cooker. So I just going to put this in my Ziploc bag, drop it in the immersion circulator, and I will cook this at about 150 degrees for about 3 to 4 hours. And I find when I do it that way, it really binds this piece of breast that we used as the stopper to the actual breast itself. And then I just take it out, quickly brown it, slice it, and serve it. But you can cook it whichever way you like. This is just to show you how I like to stuff the chicken breast.